everyone, my name is Michaela Kraco and welcome to my vlog. Today I am excited to take you on a quick journey into the world of e-commerce. We will explore an online shopping platform, learn some interesting facts about e-commerce, and share my thoughts on how this digital marketplace is changing the way we buy and sell. Let's get started. Right now, I'm on TikTok Shop, which is a popular online marketplace integrated within the TikTok app. What caught my eye first were these trendy gadgets. They look really appealing and are showcased with short videos, which makes shopping more engaging. What I really like about TikTok Shop is how easy it is to navigate. The homepage is filled with trending products and you can simply scroll through videos to discover items. There are filters to refine your search, making it convenient to find what you need. For payment, TikTok Shop offers options like credit cards, e-wallets, and sometimes even cash on delivery depending on your region. Delivery options vary, but many products are shipped via reliable couriers with tracking details provided so you know exactly when your order will arrive. I also watched a YouTube video about how e-commerce is transforming retail. I learned that online shopping platforms like TikTok Shop, Shopee, and Lazada are making it easier for both sellers and buyers to connect directly. They use algorithms to personalize shopping experiences, which the video explained how mobile commerce is growing rapidly and how live selling and social commerce are becoming new trends. It's like shopping and entertainment combined. From the exploration, I've learned three key things. First is e-commerce platforms are designed to be user-friendly to encourage more shopping. Second, multiple payment options and quick delivery are essential for customer satisfactions. And third, social media integration like TikTok is revolutionizing how products are marketed and sold. E-commerce is really changing the game by making shopping more accessible, convenient, and interactive. People can buy products from anywhere at any time, and sellers can reach a global audience without opening physical stores. One thing I am really excited about in this course is understanding how online marketing strategies work and how I can create my own online store someday. Thanks for joining me on this quick exploration of e-commerce. Don't forget to like, comment, and share if you enjoyed the video. Bye-bye!